être emporté par un torrent d'eau, quoi.
Non, 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 mais là où je suis, ça va. Oh la vache. Oh,
Les voitures, oh non.
oh, la voiture, elle va aller s'encastrer.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر. العرب لا إله إلا الله. العرب سبايا مش قادرة يطلع. لا إله إلا الله يا رب.
Weather is the forecast for much of mainland France until at least September 18. Strong winds, lightning and a possible hail will be also accompanying the storm. Meteor France has also issued a following weather warning across the country on September 18. Orange thunderstorm, rain and a flood warning, medium level or 3-level scale. The Department of Alcade and Drone. Yellow thunderstorm, rain and a flood warning, the rest in mainland France. Official may update any possible expanded coverage of weather warning in the coming days. Prolonged heavy rain could trigger flooding in the low-lying communities near rivers, streams and creeks. Urban flooding is also possible in a developing area is easily or limited in non-existent storm drainage system. Areas downstream of major reservoirs of river may be subject to flash flooding after relatively short periods in intense rainfall. Landslides are possible in a hilly and mountains area, especially where heavy rain are shocked in the soil. Authority may issue mandatory evacuation order for flood-prone communities in coming days. Power and telecommunication service disruption are possible when significant flash flooding, landslides or high wind after utility network. Flood waters and debris flow may make some bridge and road impossible, making overland tunnel in around affected areas difficult. Ban any pavement and create hazardous driving conditions on regional highways.